Recall what E degree means. It is the standard reduction potential for the half reaction Cu superscript 2, Aq, plus 2E cos E degree equals plus 0.34 V. Statement A, always the anode, false. Whether a half cell is anode or cathode depends on its pairing. Cu will be an anode only if paired with a more positive reduction potential, like Ag/Ag. Statement B, a positive E degree does not imply that Cu is a stronger reducing agent than H2. It means Cu superscript 2 is a stronger oxidizing agent than H. Statement C, electrons under standard conditions flow only when there is a potential difference. At equilibrium, there is no net electron flow. Statement D, adding more solid Cu does not change the concentration of Cu superscript 2, therefore it does not affect the equilibrium position or the standard potential E degree. Statement E, correct. A positive E degree indicates that Cu superscript 2 is more easily reduced compared to H, thus Cu acts as the cathode when paired with electrodes of lower E degree reduction potential. Thus, only option E is correct.